Today, I'll walk you through the process of adding social media links to your Shopify footer. Let's dive right in. First, open your internet browser and navigate to Shopify.com. Log in to your account by clicking on Login in the top right corner. Once logged in, select your store. You'll then be redirected to the dashboard. Click on Online Store in the left menu, then click on Themes if it doesn't redirect you. Click on Customize on your online store theme. Now click on Footer in the left menu, which will open a menu in the right corner. Scroll down until you see Theme Settings and click on it. Here, you'll find options for social media links. Input the link for your desired social media accounts. For example, if you want to add your YouTube link, enter it here. Once done, your social media icon will be visible. Save the changes and your social media link will be added to your Shopify online store footer. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, thanks for watching. Have a great day.